is very complicated, and it's all about precedence and the level at which a decision was made, and if it has sway. And as I understand it, and I'm licensed in Massachusetts, so I'm not as familiar with Texas law, but as I understand it, the decision in Austin is binding only on the particular instance that it applies to. It has no precedence going forward. There's no precedental value. And so the only way that it would have an impact is if the state actually appeals it, and then a higher level of court still allows the divorce to happen, and then that creates precedent. So, I mean, from my viewpoint, it's an interesting point of conversation, and it's sad to me that a divorce is the point of entry. But there's going to be tons of cases that are going to happen, because if I'm legally married in Connecticut, but it's not recognized in Texas, yet I'm a citizen of the United States, and so a heterosexual married in Connecticut is recognized in Texas, how is that not discrimination against me, and how is that not a violation of the full faith and credit clause? And how does all the different levels of society in which marriage, there's something like 1,900 rights, I can't remember the exact number, that come with marriage. And how do you parse out people who are legally married in one state, what they get in another? I just think it's inevitable that all these things will start creeping up, and decisions will have to be made, and eventually they're going to have to take a stand. So I think this divorce is a good start in the fact that it was a legal recognition. This particular instance, I don't think there's a lot of precedence around it, but it's something to point to, and it's a tiny pinprick in the wall, and you just have to keep chipping away at it.